Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Miss Andrea at narito na po ang nagbabagang balita. Kakapasok lamang po ng balita tungkol po sa isang lalaki na nababagabag ang kanyang isipan tungkol sa kung ano nga ba ang natural resources. Po sa atin ang ating sa kababayan na nasa kabilang linya na si Miss Eloisa Ordanza.
Narito po tayo ngayon sa isang barangay upang tukuyin kung ano nga ba ang bumabagabag sa isipan ng mga tao tungkol sa natural resources. Alam niyo po ba kung ano ba ang natural resources?
Hindi ko nga po alam yun eh.
Ano nga ba ang natural resources, Miss Andrea?
Talagang nababagabag ang kababayan natin sa isang barangay nito. Ano nga ba ang natural resources?
Natural resources refer to the things that exist freely in nature for human use and don't necessarily need the action of mankind for their generation or production. The key aspect of natural resources is that they dictate the survival of humans and other life forms on Earth. These resources include land, rocks, forest, water, fossil fuel, animals, minerals, sunlight, and air. Some examples of natural resources are air, which provides wind energy, coal, which act as an input for electricity, forest, which provide paper, wood, and various medicines, water, which is used for drinking and production of hydroelectric energy, sunlight, that is used for drying clothes, photosynthesis, and solar energy. They are known as natural resources because they provide for the basis of life on Earth. It is from the natural resources that humans obtain and produce the components and materials found within our environments. Every artificial product is made from the natural resources. The materials may be used as they occur naturally or may be transformed in other forms. However, most natural resources are prone to depletion and degradation, which has brought about worldwide concerns for their sustainable usage and management. Still, there are other very few resources that are regarded to be inexhaustible, such as sunlight and geothermal energy. Air is also inexhaustible, but it has to be free from pollution. Natural resources are categorized in various categories that will be discussed of our reporters for today.
Meron pong iba't ibang uri ng natural resources.
Renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable natural resources are the ones that are consistently available regardless of their use. They can be fairly recovered or replaced after utilization. Examples include vegetation, water, and air. Animals can also be categorized as renewable resources because they can be reared and bred to reproduce offspring to substitute the older animals. As much of these resources are renewable, it may take tens to hundreds of years to replace them. The renewable raw materials that comes from living things, namely animals and trees, are termed as organic renewable. Non-renewable resources are the ones that cannot simply be substituted or recovered once they have been utilized or destroyed. Examples of such natural resources include fossil fuels and minerals. Minerals are categorized as non-renewable because even though they take shape naturally through the rocky cycle, their formation period takes thousands of years. Some animals, mostly the endangered species, are similarly regarded as non-renewable because they are the verge of extinction. It brings about the many reasons the endangered species have to be protected by all means. The non-renewable materials that comes from living things such as fossil fuels are known as organic non-renewable resources, while those that come from non-living things such as rocks and soil are referred to as inorganic non-renewable resources.
Naman po ay matutunghayan natin ang iba pang natural resources na ibabahagi naman sa atin sa kabilang linya ni Miss Marieli.
Ngayon naman po ay matutunghayan natin ang pangalawang uri ng natural resources na ang biotic at abiotic natural resources. Biotic natural resources are the ones that come from the ecosphere, organic and living materials. These include resources such as animals, forests, and other materials obtainable from them.
fossil fuels such as petroleum, oil, and coal are also included in this grouping because they are generated from decayed organic matter. Abiotic natural resources. The abiotic natural resources are the ones that come from non-organic and non-living materials. Examples of abiotic natural resources are water, land, air, and heavy metals like iron, copper, silver, gold, and so on.
At ngayon naman po ay ang pangatlong uri ng natural resources ay ibabahagi sa atin ni Abigail Osha. Ang pangatlong bahagi po ng natural resources ay ang stock natural resources.
Stock natural resources are those that are present in the environment but the necessary expertise or technology to have them exploited. Hydrogen is an example of a stock natural resource.
At yun lang ang tatlong bahagi ng natural resources. Balik sa iyo, Miss Andrea Organ.
Sana ay naunawaan na ng ating kababayan kung ano nga ba ang natural resources. Maraming salamat Miss Marieli, Miss Eloisa at Abigail Osias sa pagpapalawak ng impormasyon tungkol sa natural resources.